Make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain if you have a noisy engine, how you can fix it, guys, without taking it apart, and how to make your engine last a long time. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW. It could be any BMW, gasoline, diesel engine, guys. It could be any of those. If you have noisy engine noise, rattles, guys, and that will usually occur with higher mileage engines, older engines, stay with us. We'll explain a simple procedure that we perform here at the shop that will make your BMW engine really quiet, guys, compared to what it was. In some cases, it will make it butter smooth quiet, guys. Now, it will not work all the time, but I would say 9 out of 10 times we see improvement. So stay with us, we'll share what procedure we use here at the garage. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here in the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We're constantly adding new cars, we're constantly working on something new. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission here at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you guys want to see where to buy cheap tools, parts, anything for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. It will work both on diesel, gasoline engines, on 3, 4, 6-cylinder engines, V8s as well. Some BMWs come with the V8s. But now, why engines first get, guys, okay, noisy? Because they will have some wear. Eventually valve lifters, guys, will wear out. There are hydraulic lifters that can start losing pressure. Also, the engine may get dirty on the inside. It may clog up oil passages that lead oil pressure to valve lifters. You may have problems with oil pump, in some cases not being able to suck enough oil because you have dirty oil filter. It could be worn engine, multiple things. But what we usually do here at the garage that can help significantly, guys, let me explain. First, we will need to change the engine oil. But before you change your engine oil, I'll recommend to use leaky moly engine flush. I was not a believer, guys, in that additive until I used it myself. These additives that we'll be showing you today, it's something that we purchased with our own money, guys. They were not sent to us. It's additives that we tested through time and we found out they work really good. That leaky moly, guys, is simply amazing due to the fact we used it on a Porsche Cayenne with close to 200,000 miles. We opened the engine to replace valve cover gaskets on both sides. The engine was like new. So before an oil change on your BMW, do an engine flush. That engine flush will clean the engine on the inside. It can open oil passages that are closed. It can clean the vanos systems, variable timing, camshafts, guys. Multiple things can be contaminated. It will clean them. Then change your oil filter with a new filter. Get our engine oil first. You need to get the viscosity that's the correct kind for your BMW. Second, make sure that it meets the BMW specifications, guys. Okay, leaky moly is amazing oil that we use here. We like it a lot. Add the engine oil. Next, guys, get that thing. This is amazing. It's a little bit expensive, but it's amazing. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. It's Ceratec oil additive. These, guys, it's a ceramic wear protection additive for engines and manual transmission. It reduces wear significantly, creates low friction effect that reduces emissions and gas consumption or diesel consumption. Ceramic tech improves motor performance. And if you see right here on inside, it says that it reduces friction up to 75% and engine wear, reduction of wear up to 34%. The additive is simply amazing, guys. You apply it only every 30,000 miles or 50,000 kilometers if you're over the pond, on the other side of the pond, and use kilometers. But this thing is simply amazing, guys. You shake it really good, give it a good shake, put it in the car. Let's go ahead, do that, and we'll continue. So give it a good shake, guys. Energetic, good shaking. Okay, make sure to shake it good because all that ceramic particles may be on the bottom, so shake it good. We're going to open it. It has that nasty color, you will see, orangey color, but that's magic for your engine, guys. So we're going to go ahead, open the cap right here.
Inspect your cap, make sure you don't have white buildup, sludge on the inside. That means you have a bad PCV valve most likely. So we're going to open it now and we're going to go ahead, okay, and put it in. So let's go ahead, do that now. Okay, you can see, just taking it slowly. You need to make sure, guys, okay, that you drain the whole thing all the way. Okay, perfect. And we can leave it upside down for a little bit so it can leak all the way out. Make sure you don't overfill your car with too much oil, but you can always use just a little bit of oil, just switch it a little bit and get the extra out of it as well. Depending on the capacity of your engine, you may require even more. This one, okay, will be enough for ours now.
So this additive, it will not only make your engine more quiet and smooth, it will prevent wear. Some BMW engines are known for timing chain failures, like this one failed the timing chain at 84,000 miles. My mom's BMW failed the timing chain at 71,000 miles. And some BMW engines are known for connecting rod bearing failure as well. This N20 engine is known for cylinder number 2 connecting rod bearing failure. I've seen quite a few online with that failure, and using that additive can extend the life of your engine, bearings and turbocharger as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you guys have any more questions, let us know. Don't hesitate to leave a comment below if you need help with something. Thank you for watching it. See you guys next time.